Hello friends, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are making amaranth stir fry. It is also called kosala or choulai sag. Take some fresh amaranth leaves and discard the roots. Wash the leaves thoroughly in water. Chop the leaves into small pieces. Heat a pan and add oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds and let them splatter. Add chopped onions and dried red chilies. You can add green chilies. Saute the onions until they become soft. This nutritious and flavorful stir fry is quick to make and complements any meal. Once the onions are cooked, add the chopped amaranth leaves to the pan. Mix everything well to coat the leaves with the oil and onions. Ingredients list is in description. Add salt to taste and stir again. Cook the leaves on medium heat, stirring occasionally. Do not cover the pan during cooking. Once the leaves are tender and cooked, turn off the heat. Serve the amaranth stir fry hot. Enjoy this healthy dish as a side with roti or rice. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye. Thank you.